In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, remove, and edit users from QuickBooks Desktop. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the top menu bar. Click on Company, then choose Users, and after that, select Set up Users and Roles. This is the area where QuickBooks lets you manage who can access the company file and what each person is allowed to do inside the system. Once you open that section, QuickBooks may ask you to sign in with the Intuit account connected to your company account. Make sure you use the correct account for your business because this step helps confirm that you have the authority to manage user access. If you are prompted to log in, simply complete the sign-in process and wait for the user management screen to load. From there, you'll be able to add new users, remove existing users, or edit the passwords and permission levels for the users already listed. If you're adding someone new, this is where you create their user access and assign the right role based on what they need to do. For example, some users may only need access to basic tasks, while others may need broader permissions to work with reports, transactions, or administrative settings. Taking a moment to assign the correct level of access can help protect sensitive financial information and keep your workflow organized. If you need to remove a user, you can do that from this same screen. This is especially useful if someone no longer needs access to the company file. Keeping your user list up to date is a good habit because it reduces confusion and helps maintain better security. You can also edit existing users whenever needed. That includes updating passwords or adjusting permission levels if someone's job responsibilities change. This makes it easy to keep access aligned with each person's role without having to create a brand new user every time something changes. As you make changes, take a moment to review the settings carefully before finishing. Small permission updates can have a big impact on what someone can see or do in QuickBooks. So accuracy matters here, and that's it. Once you've gone to the company menu, selected users, and opened Set up Users and Roles, you have everything you need to manage user access in QuickBooks Desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.